calm.
Thank you, Mr. Speaker. I have spoken about my own experience of loss during the pandemic many times. I do not claim that my experiences are special. Indeed, they were all too common. But as a member of parliament, I have a responsibility to provide a voice for the bereaved families. Make no mistake, this report is utterly damning and suggests that the Prime Minister's and the government's actions were a risk to public health. How on earth can the Prime Minister stand there and justify this? Does he now accept that his actions were a complete and absolute failure of leadership and judgment?